Welcome to this instructional video showcasing a flexible coupling installation of the WaStop non-return valve from Wapro. Flexible couplings can be used for installation of the valve when there is no head wall or chamber to fit the valve to. Clean out the hose pipe and inspect for irregularities inside the pipe. Fasten the flexible coupling to the hose pipe and firmly tighten the clamps to permanently securing the flexible coupling to the pipe. Insert the WaStop non-return valve into the pipe and firmly tighten the remaining clamps on the flexible coupling to ensure a proper seal around the valve. The same installation procedure applies for the reverse installation of the valve as well.